question number 15. So rename columns dynamically in a data frame. Let's say you have 5 columns. You need to rename ID to employee underscore ID, name to employee underscore name, location to employee underscore location. How you will do that, team? How you will do that? How you will rename the columns in a PySpark data frame? We covered for everybody how to
Column
rename.
rename.
Column rename.
Which column rename? With the column renamed you can able to use. What are the other ways, Tim? Select column that dot alias you can able to use to rename. Is there any,
Right.
let's say 4 or 5 columns you can do this way. But if you have 100 columns, 200 columns, how you will do it efficiently? Okay, that is what, let me show you. Okay, you have a name, age, gender, salary. So you need to see, this is the input data what we have, say. Okay, so this question number 15. So this is the rename columns dynamically in data frame 2. So what you need to do is you need to rename these columns to employee underscore name, employee underscore age, employee underscore gender, employee underscore salary. How you can make it dynamic? Okay, so that let me show you. It is also very simple. Add prefix to all names, all suffix, add suffix to all the column names. Maybe question can be asked in any ways. Add prefix to all column names, or add suffix to all column names, or rename column names dynamically. Anything can be asked, but the answer is same. So this is the data frame what we have. So you know df, see, first thing you need to understand is this. First let me explain to you this. Okay, tell me what is the answer. What I will get if I say new columns?
Column names of the data frame as a list.
As a list. Very good. So from the df.columns I am taking the column, just that column only I am keeping here, correct? But if you want to add a prefix, you can put it here. Prefix. If you want to add a prefix or suffix, you just add it here. Now you can just execute it. You got employee name, employee age, employee gender, employee salary. Understood? Once you get it like this, now what I am doing, you see, you got a new columns. So same df, I am converting again to the df by using a new column. Now you see the final data frame, how it will look like. Okay, it will look like this. Understood? So same data frame I am converting into same data frame again by passing a new columns. So what it does, when it is data frame you are converting back to the data frame with these new columns, it will consider these new columns as a schema and it will set it for the final data frame. Understood, Tim? This way you can able to rename multiple columns at a time. Okay, but if you have all the columns, you can do this way. But is there any other way to handle this? Yes, let me tell you, there is another approach. For example, so you put this way also, Tim. So this is called a list comprehension, but this is a dictionary comprehension. So it takes the column colon prefix plus column, meaning I'm creating a dictionary. Name, employee name, age, employee age, gender, employee gender, salary, employee salary, meaning I'm renaming the columns in a different way, right? Maybe here you want to keep employee name instead of name, instead of putting emp name, you want to put employee underscore name. So you can make all those changes. Once you have a dictionary, you can use this way, old column comma new column. Okay, meaning, okay, now you can understand, right? This is a dictionary, right? Dictionary dot items means this is a old column, this will become a new column. Okay, old column, new column. Now what I'm doing, old column I'm passing here, new column I'm passing here, I'm iterating it. So instead of using with column renamed multiple times, you are just iterating. Now if you see the final data frame, you will get it like this, because every column I am renaming by using the loop. Instead of writing 100 with column renames, you can use the loop to go through and you can get the final output. Understood? This you can go when you want to just specifically few columns. If you want updated dynamically, you can go this way. Okay, next. There is a third approach I'm trying to tell you. This is the data frame. Okay, this is the data frame. So directly, so this is a data frame. So df dot select whatever we have used, right? Call of column dot alias of prefix plus call. We have done the aliasing there, right? Using the select also we can do the aliasing we discussed. So from the data frame, take the column, okay, call of column. That column I am aliasing, I am renaming with the prefix plus column name. So this is how you can able to do the aliases. You can add the prefixes, or you can update the multiple columns dynamically. You can update the column names dynamically. Understood, Tim? Total 3 approaches we discussed how you can able to rename the multiple columns dynamically instead of adding so many with column renames. How you can efficiently rename it using looping we discussed, using select transformation how you can able to do, using list comprehension how you can able to do this particular conversion. df.2df you can able to use for conversion. So we discussed all this. Any questions, Tim, from this particular question? Anybody have any questions? Please confirm, Tim, quickly. Anybody have any questions? Please confirm, Tim. Hmm? Okay, fine. Very important.